podcast, your first melodies, your first steps into music melodies and making memories. I'm not going to jabble too much in this video because I just want to get right to it and get on with these exercises as requested. But I do have a vocal straw, SOVT straw video if you would like further information about all of this. But for now, just follow my guidance and enjoy the exercises. All you need is your SOVT straw. A regular straw will work, but at the moment I'm using my vocal tube. I will put all the links below to any vocal straws I have to help you. You can do this straw any way you feel comfortable, sitting or standing. Me as a singer, I like to stand up, but it's okay to also sit down and be comfortable. And also, fill your bottle up to about here, not too much, otherwise when you do this, you're gonna throw the bottle all over yourself, which I have done in a previous video, if you look back. But yeah, the further the straw goes in, the more pressure you get. So if you're a beginner, start with it just a couple of centimeters in. And just an extra added point, you don't necessarily have to do this with water in your bottle. You can do it without water too. But water makes everything a bit easier. And let's begin. Right, this is your first exercise. Blow into the straw and don't make a noise. See how long you can do it for. You can pause the video or you can go alongside me. Here we go. Good job! Right, next we're going to make a comfortable noise with it. So if I hum, I can go, I'm now going to do that through the straw. Again, pause the video if you need to, or go alongside me. How did you do? Okay, next we're gonna do some pulsing. So it's a little bit like going but through the straw. Ready? Here we go. Remember, pause the video or go alongside me. How did you get on with that? You might be feeling a little bit out of breath for now, so just pause the video, take a few deep breaths in through your nose for 3 and then out through your mouth for 3. Let's go. In, 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3. So in for your nose, out for your mouth. Go. In through your nose for 3. Out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. In. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3. In. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3. If you're feeling a bit dizzy, pause the video, or if not, let's go on to the next exercise. Just move in position. We're now going to sing scales through our straw. So we're going to start with a middle C, and we're going to do this. Piano might be loud. You don't have to sing it, we're just blowing it for a straw like this. Try again. Awesome. Let's try and go one more step higher, and now we're going to do through our straw again. Go. Need a bit bit more breath for that one. Let's go. Now, see if you can get these notes, okay? If I play it, you're gonna sing it through your straw, so. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. Next, 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 1, 2, 3. And next, 1, 2, 3. Good job! Now we're going to try and do a song together. It's really, really simple. It's just Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and you're just going to hum it through your straw. Ready? I'm going to start with La La Twinkle. That's our first note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Now try it without me, and I'm going to give you a starting note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Above the world so high. Twinkle. How did you get on with that? Right, now if you're on your own, pause this video, pick a song that you love and try and sing it through your straw. And if you're in a group, why not go around one at a time, pick a song and see if you can guess what song each of you are doing. For example, I'm going to do one right now and you can guess as a group what one I'm doing, and then you can take it in turns to go around the group and guess which song everyone is doing. Are you ready? This is my go. Go! Did you guess correct? Now pause the video and go around the group and do that, and then we've got a little bit more to work on right at the end. I hope you enjoyed that, and each one of you, apart from if you're the one that went last, has just had a little bit of a break and also probably lots of fun. But just to end the video, I'm just going to teach you how to do cheek flutters and also how to do like just a steady flow without the flutters. So some of you might automatically feel fluttery cheeks when you sing through the straw. So like this. Okay, and then others might just naturally do it like this. So figure out which one you are and work on the one that you can't do. But first of all, we're just going to start with strong cheeks. So you just really want to be like a strong jawline as you sing through it. That's such a weird angle. But you just want to keep everything strong. You don't want anything to be loose, like... Well, a bit like when you do that and when you're doing mouthwash. You don't want it to be loose, you want it to be hard, so... Ooh, try and do it without moving your cheeks. Go. Did you get it? Pause the video until you catch up. Now, if you don't know how to flutter, you just want a bit more of a relaxed feel. So do a big yawn. That is the perfect position for your singing or your vocal technique. If you're talking or singing, perfect position for it, for a nice open sound. And then you want to blow through this, but keep everything really relaxed. Might take a few attempts, but see if you can do it. See if you can notice in your group who can and can't do which one, or if you can do both. Awesome, or if you're on your own, have a look in the mirror. Here we go. You almost want to blow out when you do it. Ready? Pause the video if you need to catch up. That's kind of the starter basic thing you can do to use the warm-up of this. There isn't really much more you want to really be doing as a beginner. Just make sure you've got all of that in place before you do any further exercises. But there is a lot you can do with this drill. But I thought that's all we kind of need to do today, especially after you've done all your songs and had a go at singing your songs. If you feel like you want to do more, go around the group again and pick a new song and see if you can guess each other's songs, because that is the best way. Also, you can't really do much of your A-E-I-O-U's and the way you speak, but you could try doing a sentence like, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Try sentences as well. So now you can go around the group and do a talking sentence just to cool your voices down after all that lovely singing. You can have a go at pronouncing your words or singing your words, whichever way you prefer to do it. And just for a cool down, we're just gonna do a nice hum. So you're just gonna through the straw for as long as you can as this video ends. And thank you so much for joining in, and remember you can go back and restart it all again, pause it where you need to, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. It's Kirsty, your first Melodies, your first steps in the music melodies and making memories, and bye for now, and I hope you had fun. Time to cool down.